So now, as we are studying the lesson 16, the sun and other stars. So we have completed the worksheet 16. So I told you fill in the blanks, pick the right answer, right? T for true and F for false. Fill in the blanks and answer the following. We have completed all the things. So you have to write these things in your the notebook, and also you have to write about the word power and about the word power. And now see page number 89. Let us explore. Let's explore. Let's explore. Let us explore. So what activity you have to do? At night, try to find out constellations in the sky when the night is very clear and very dark. So you can see in the sky and find out constellation in the sky. And with the help of the book, in the book, it is the constellations are given. So as the Saptarshi, you see here the Saptarshi, the location of Saptarshi is here. That is given in your book, and here they are also here, and one is here, is more little away, and this way and this way. You can see these are the stars. They are found in a specific shape. This one star is there, one star is here, one star is here, and one star is there, one star is there, one star is there. So this is the group of these 7 stars. You can find these stars, these constellations in the sky, and you find this will be of Saptarshi. This is Saptarshi. This is the constellation, that is Saptarshi. And other given in your the book, you Orion the hunter. This is the Orion the hunter. You see here Orion the hunter at the location. It is a little bit difficult. So you can see the Southern Cross. Southern Cross, you star is here, and one star is here, and one star is here, and one star will be here. So in this way, this is the Southern. This make such structure, and this is called the Southern Cross. Southern Cross. So in this way, you can find another. It is given in our book, that is the Scorpius. Scorpius, if you see, it is found in this form. One will be here, and two. One is here, one is here, and others in this way they are the present, and they form structures. They form such structure. Suppose one star is here, one star is here, one star is here, one here, and one star is here, one star is here, here is star. Now also we find the stars One star is here, one star is here, and one star is here, one star is here. In this way, you can find this one star is here and one star is here. In this way, and this is the name of this constellation is Scorpius. Scorpius is this diagram. So you try to understand this, and next question what you have to do, take the different next activity what you have to do. So first activity, as I told you, you can see in the sky different type of the constellation and try to understand with the help of your book, with the help of your diagram that is given in your book. See page number 87. Different constellations are given here, so you try to understand by this diagram. Now next one is the at night. Now next you see, take a different color balls and make a model of solar system on a cardboard. Take help of any elder. So you have to take the different balls of the different color, and balls needed you, and you needed cardboard and the glue needed. So diagram it is given in your book. You can take the help of your elder, and according to this diagram what is given about the solar system on the page number 86, you can draw the diagram in your the page. So now this is the our the syllabus, and you can know your the syllabus. So syllabus, you can find the syllabus for the PT1 syllabus. You can find the syllabus. So here the lesson first, living and non-living things, living and non-living things, and lesson 1 and lesson 7. Lesson 7, housing and clothing, housing and clothing, and lesson 9, soil, lesson 13, these are different. Lesson 13, air and water, and lesson 16, the sun and other stars, the sun and other stars. So this is your syllabus. Your syllabus is over, and if any problem, you can consult your the class teacher, or as father told, that is you can call me in between 10 to 2 hours. 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock you may call me if any problem. I think you have no any problem and you have solved all the questions. So now you start the learning. The next time we will start the revision. So read you properly and be prepared for the revision. Thank you. That's for today.